How to fix Facebook account temporarily locked. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device. In Chrome, search Facebook support account and then click on Help Center, which is the first option of Facebook Help Center. It will lead to this page. In here, click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen, which will open different options. In here, click on Login, Recovery, and Security. After it expands, you'll find Account Recovery. Click on it. After that, in here, simply scroll down and search for why it was temporarily locked. If you don't find anything, scroll down and click on No and Was this helpful? Click on This solution does not work and press on Select. After you have done that, in here, simply type in My Facebook is temporarily blocked. Please fix this and press on Submit. After it's submitted, Facebook will get back to you in 24 hours and solve your problem. This is how to fix Facebook account temporarily locked. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.